Hello friends, today I am going to explain regarding your practical examination which we are going to conduct by using online Google form. So I will explain in detail the steps that you have to follow while attempting this examination. So open a Google form. So we are conducting the examination by using a Google form. So I will send the link on your group to open this Google form. So this link will be like in this way. So when you simply click on this link, the Google form will be open. So this form will be look like this. So this is the first page of this form. You will see the information regarding your practical examination. This is the logo of your college, and then you have to fill up your information. So in this information, you should enter your correct seat number, your email ID, and your correct mobile number which is currently active. Then below this your personal information, the operating system questions will be displayed which are in the form of MCQs. So all questions are MCQs. So you have to select one of the option from the four given different option which is the correct one. So first of all, you attempt the operating system examination. After completing the questions of operating system, just click on the next button. So the next screen will be displayed which will contain the questions on your second paper, that is programming in C++. So this C++ also it will contain the MCQs questions. So you have to solve these questions in the by selecting one of the option from the four given options. So after attempting these C++ questions, the next, which is a very important part, that is the to upload your images. So as I have explained in our group, you have to upload the certificates and the index of your record book. So let us see how to upload these images. So while uploading these images, you should have the prior clicked images in your mobile phone. So already I have told you on the our WhatsApp group that you have to reduce the size of image. So if the image size is near about 1.5 MB or 2 MB, then it will take some time for uploading. So that's why by using the software that I have mentioned in our WhatsApp group, you can reduce the size of the image. So the size of your image should be in kilobytes. So that if you reduce the size, then uploading will be faster one. So now let us see how to upload the images. Now these are the three different screenshots that I have shown. So when you will see this upload form. So there are four different files that you have to upload. First, the certificate of operating system. Second, the index page of operating system. Third, that is certificate of the programming in C++ and the index page of the C++. So here there is a add file option. So you just click on this add file option, then this second screen will be displayed. Now it will ask you to select the file from your device. So when you click on this option, it will display the list of the image files that are present in your device or in your mobile phone. So from these images you have to select the appropriate one, that is for certificate of the operating system you have to select that corresponding file. Similarly for the index you have to select that file. In this way you select the file, and after selecting the file just click on the upload button. So in this way first file will be uploaded. Same process you follow, upload the second file. In the similar fashion you can upload the remaining two files. So when you upload the file, it will show the name of this file here. So this first file that I have uploaded, so its name is a4.jpg. So it will display the name of your file. Now see here, its size is 6.8 kilobytes. So you should compress your file in the smaller and smaller size, so that it will take a less time for upload. If the file is in MB, no problem, it will also upload, but it will take some time. So that's why it is better to reduce the size of the file. So in this way you upload these four files. Now many students have communicated me and they told that they have not their record books, they have not their record books which are signed by the madam or myself, or my record book is already signed but it is not with me, it is at Nanded and I am presently at my native place. So if such problem occurs, so don't worry, you does not need to worry. simply you just give the undertaking form that I will display on our WhatsApp group. So simply you write that I have already completed my record book, but due to this pandemic situation I am unable to submit the record book. So whenever it is possible I will submit my record book in the department. So I will give this format in our WhatsApp group. So just write down this format on one page, take the photograph, and while uploading the files you just select that image and then you can upload the file. Now the one more thing, so this is a actually optional one. If you do not have any image, then you can also directly select this submit button, but my suggestion is that you upload your record book or certificates and index. If you don't have the record books, then just submit the or upload the undertaking undertaking application that is written by you. So I will, again I am telling, I will display this or I will uh, post this application format on our WhatsApp group. So after completion of this whole process, just click on the submit button to complete your examination. So submit the form. So after uploading the image, submit the Google form by using this submit button. Now after submitting the form, so immediately you can view your score. So here view score option is there, button is there. So you simply click on this button and your heartbeats will be increased while pressing this view score button, because after pressing this button immediately your score will be displayed. So here this score is displayed, that is 30 out of 30. So I am expecting from all the students you should get the score 30 out of 30. So in this way we will follow the process for conducting the examination. So I wish all of you best of luck and be prepared for the examination. This is your annual practical examination. Take your own time. So I will give much more time for attempting the examination. Don't bother. So more than 12 hours I will give. So I will post the link and I will give 12 hours for giving the examination. So don't worry. So just read the record book. Same questions are there. Questions are very simple. So don't worry. Note, there are two different forms that you have to submit. There are two practical papers. So first paper, it is operating system and C++. So I have given the demonstration of this paper. So same form will be there for the second paper, that is computer networking and the Java programming. So same questions will be there in the same format, same procedure that you have to follow, and you have to attempt for the examination. So remember that this is your annual practical examination. We are not practicing anything, we are not making any trial. So this is an annual practical examination. So give this examination very seriously, because all these marks are directly reflected in your mark memos. So please be careful, be prepared for the examination. So don't give the randomly this examination, take it very seriously. And again I will wish you all the best for this examination. So you are giving the examination simply by sitting at your home. So this is a freedom for you. So be prepared. Again I am telling, be prepared. So don't worry, we are with you. So attempt the examination and achieve the maximum score. So thank you very much for listening me, and again I wish you all the best. Thank you.